In this video, I'm going to show you how to winterize your boat with antifreeze. Remember the crazy winter we had?
Rolling outages, an incredibly frigid night.
Texans were so surprised. This will help protect your boat. You assume the risk when you do this yourself. If you don't feel comfortable with that, have a professional do it for you. I'm going to go through 4 steps, and yes, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm going to give away one of these complete winterization kits. Details at 2 minutes and 32 seconds. 1. Fuel management. Fill your tank, then apply the fuel stabilizer per the instructions on the bottle. Second, remove water from the engine. Before you drain the block, you need to warm the engine up. Run the engine on a fake lake. Make sure it heats up to the normal operating temperature so that the thermostat is opened. Turn off the engine, remove the engine drain plugs. Caution, the water will be hot. And exhaust manifold plugs. Along with the strainer. It's a great idea to clean it out right now. Once the water is all drained out, reinstall the drain plugs and exhaust manifold plugs and water strainer. Draining the water before running the engine on antifreeze is just another layer of protection to ensure that no water is in the system. This is what we're trying to avoid. If you're getting value from this video, please subscribe. Third, run the engine on antifreeze. Hook up this awesome winterization kit. Fill it up and run the engine on antifreeze. You most likely want antifreeze with burst protection in the -70° range, and make sure you use the pink biodegradable antifreeze. Be sure you have a good seal with the fake lake at your water intake. Turn on the boat to start sucking in the antifreeze. Turn this knob here to feed it in. You must have this little cap off so that it will flow into the engine smoothly. Check at the strainer to make sure it's going through the system. You will also get antifreeze coming out through the exhaust. Once it's good and pink, you can catch it and reuse it. It might take a couple times running the boat to make sure antifreeze is through the entire system. 2 big mistakes people make when winterizing their boats are forgetting about the ballast system and the heater. Take the proper steps to winterize those items. Fourth, fog the engine with fogging oil per the instructions on the bottle to preserve the engine during storage. Spray some in the air intake after removing the spark arrestor. If you have a fuel-injected engine, it is recommended that you fog each cylinder by removing the spark plugs and spraying the fogging oil in the cavity. The giveaway. I'm giving away one of these kits. It might even be this exact kit. Because we are in Arizona and we get a boat year-round, we don't have to winterize our boat. To enter the giveaway, you need to be subscribed to the channel, and in the comments, let me know what state you live in. We will pick a winner on September 10th, 2021. Because you're doing maintenance by yourself, you need to know why an impeller is so important. Click here to find out. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.